look bad back that way, you guys. Some people already put their rain suit on, but some people didn't. But I'm not gonna fight nothing like that without the gear.
All right. Y'all ready? Here we go. All right. Hey. Slappy dog. Now I'm gonna sing the song for you. Here's Slappy. You gonna learn a thing or two. You're having fun now with me and all the gang, learning from each other while we do our thing. Ooh, damn, that's the low shoulders.
We'll go ahead and get some gas while we make it stop. Use the bathroom, make the most of it. This is where we get it at Food Line, or used to. The loves. You guys, whew, it's finna storm. Man, I hate putting clothes on top of clothes. All right, 20. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Talk back. Say something back.
Still low.
10-4, got you. Somebody's feet gonna get soaking wet. Woo, let's get this thing going. Let's get out of here. Let's get on out of here, Ron. Let's hear what you sound like.
Like an old man.
10 to the 4. Woo! What's going on? What's going on back there?
Yep.
What's going on?
Here they come. They stopped.
Who stopped now? Little Egypt?
All right. We good.
Alright, let's go. Let's go see where this rain is. I done put all this stuff on there and I want some rain to come down. I done put all this gear on now and I want some rain to come, you hear me?
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.